the next one is going to be the 4-inch high by 7. And that's going to go on top like that.
Would you put if those are real cakes, you'd put them on the same way?
They would have a cake board under it, and as I go ahead and stack it, I'll talk more about how I would actually do that part. Right now we're just trying to get like the wires. Okay, and then this is like going to be a little buoy. This would be a 6-inch round cake. Okay, so I want the wires to come out to right about like here, or I want to cut this about here. So I could just go ahead and take this PVC cutter.
Now, if this were
you can
real
either
cake,
take it out or not.
If this were real cake, you would simply do this.
I would just measure my cakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Know how tall my cakes are going to be, and then I think this is just a better visuals for you guys so you can see.
Gotcha.
Maybe not though.
Okay.
Okay. Take that off.
Your cakes are so light and fluffy.
Yeah, I know. Non-fat.
And crunchy.
Mmm. Delicious.
Watch your chocolate.
Yeah, put it up there this time. Okay, so then there's this wire here. Okay, so this is for this second motor. So the second motor is going to be at the top. It's going to actually sit like this, kind of on top of here. And then we're going to attach wires to this later for the seagulls. But right now, I don't need to deal with this. I need to get this up through the pipe so that I can attach it later. So what I'm going to do is thread it through that little hole, if I can.
Is this single wire or a double wire?
It's double. See how there's
right,
it's
so it's
two.
positive, negative.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's okay if they touch right now because it's not plugged in.
That's, yeah.
Okay, and then put it through here. Okay, pull it out the top. Go ahead and pop that back in. And then what I would recommend doing is actually putting this underneath here first.
Yeah, that's probably a much better idea. Okay, good. Let's do that
I don't know
again.
if it'll fit this way. No.
Do that again.
Yeah. So I did that so that you could see
Right.
that simple things like that you need to think about.
Yeah. Better to do, and this is before the cake is done. Okay, so you come in from the bottom.
So you come in from over here, yeah,
There
where
we
your
go.
other piece is, like that.
There we go.
Come through here, like so. Then you can go ahead and thread it through your pipe.
Okay.
See, now not one of you caught that.
Yeah, well, we're all fascinated.
You're still watching me
watching
make
the-
sure I don't hit the
That's right, we're watching the
chocolate. All right, so there we go. Have we all learned something?
Yes, many things.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure what. We have learned many things.
Okay, so then what you want to make sure is that, I might need to drill that in a little more, that this doesn't get icing and stuff all over it when you're dealing with
Yeah.
real cake, and that you don't lose it. So you could always kind of like tape it to the top,
Yeah.
but something loose, because every time you put the cake over, you're going to have to kind of have the wire, well, I don't have to have this much sticking out, but I don't want to lose it,
Yeah. Bend it over and tape it on the top of the...
Yeah, and then
PVC
when
or
you, and you don't want to get icing and stuff on these, so you could actually just tape these up right now with, just regular like sellotape, so it's easy to get off so that the icing doesn't get on those. Okay, so then you just get to deal with all these cords. Okay, so now this needs to sit on these, and it needs to be pretty sturdy. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this. Let me actually take this off. Thread this through. And then I'll take some more hot glue and put it on top of the wood pieces.
So your cake board is actually just sitting on those 4 wooden pieces.
Correct.
So it's not touching anything else. It can't.
Right.
Or the thing won't rotate.
Correct.